Welcome to Adventure Pulse. Today, we're embarking on a journey to one of the most awe-inspiring and historically rich sites in the world, Angkor Wat, Cambodia. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, Angkor Wat is a testament to human ingenuity, architectural brilliance, and the enduring legacy of the Khmer Empire. Join us as we unravel the mysteries and marvels of this ancient wonder. Angkor Wat is the largest religious monument in the world, covering over 160 hectares. Originally constructed in the early 12th century by King Suryavarman II, it was intended as a Hindu temple dedicated to the god Vishnu. Over time, it transformed into a Buddhist temple, reflecting the region's evolving religious landscape. The name Angkor Wat translates to City of Temples, and it is truly a city in its own right, with intricate structures, vast courtyards, and stunning sculptures. To fully appreciate Angkor Wat, one must start at its magnificent entrance. The western approach, symbolizing the direction of the setting sun and the realm of death, leads visitors over a stone causeway flanked by Naga balustrades, mythical serpent deities in Hindu and Buddhist mythology. As you cross this bridge, the grandeur of Angkor Wat begins to unfold. The central temple complex is surrounded by a vast moat, emphasizing its significance and adding to its mystical ambience. This moat, stretching over 5 kilometers, was not just a defensive feature but also a representation of the cosmic ocean in Hindu cosmology. The symmetry and precision with which Angkor Wat was constructed are astounding, showcasing the advanced engineering and architectural skills of the Khmer civilization. As you step through the main entrance, you're greeted by the stunning sight of 5 towering spires, or prasats, which symbolize Mount Meru, the mythical home of the gods in Hindu and Buddhist cosmology. These central towers, rising 65 meters high, are the heart of Angkor Wat. Each tower is intricately adorned with carvings and bas-reliefs that depict scenes from Hindu epics, such as the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. One of the most captivating features of Angkor Wat is the extensive gallery of bas-reliefs that adorn the outer walls. These bas-reliefs stretch for over 800 meters and are a visual narrative of the Khmer Empire's history, mythology, and religious beliefs. Among the most famous scenes is the churning of the Ocean of Milk, a cosmic myth that illustrates the battle between gods and demons to obtain the elixir of immortality. The level of detail and artistry in these carvings is unparalleled, making it a must-see for any visitor. As we delve deeper into the temple complex, we encounter the central sanctuary, which houses the most sacred space in Angkor Wat. This area was originally dedicated to Vishnu and later adapted for Buddhist worship. The central tower, accessible via steep staircases, offers a panoramic view of the entire complex and the surrounding jungle. Standing atop this sacred platform, one can truly grasp the scale and grandeur of Angkor Wat. Exploring the inner courtyards and corridors reveals more hidden treasures. The Hall of Echoes, for instance, is a fascinating chamber where sound reverberates in a unique manner, creating an ethereal experience for visitors. Another highlight is the cruciform cloister, an intersection of corridors that forms a cross shape, showcasing the architectural ingenuity of the Khmer builders. Angkor Wat is not just a marvel of architecture and art, it is also a testament to the Khmer Empire's mastery of hydraulics and urban planning. The entire Angkor complex, of which Angkor Wat is a part, was a thriving metropolis supported by an intricate network of canals, reservoirs, and rice fields. This hydraulic system allowed the Khmer civilization to flourish in a region with unpredictable rainfall and ensured a stable water supply for agriculture and daily life. As we explore the history and architecture of Angkor Wat, it's essential to recognize its significance as a symbol of Cambodian identity and pride. The temple's image adorns the national flag and is a source of inspiration for Cambodians, representing their rich cultural heritage and resilience. Angkor Wat's survival through centuries of political turmoil, invasions, and natural disasters is a testament to its enduring legacy. Visiting Angkor Wat today is an experience that blends the ancient and the modern. The site attracts millions of tourists each year, drawn by its historical significance and breathtaking beauty. Efforts to preserve and restore Angkor Wat are ongoing, with international collaborations and local initiatives working together to protect this UNESCO World Heritage site for future generations. For those planning to visit Angkor Wat, there are a few tips to make the most of your experience. Arriving early in the morning allows you to witness the temple bathed in the soft light of dawn, a truly magical sight. Alternatively, visiting during the late afternoon provides the opportunity to see the temple illuminated by the setting sun. Hiring a knowledgeable guide can enhance your visit, offering insights into the history, symbolism, and stories behind the intricate carvings and structures. As we conclude our journey through Angkor Wat, we are reminded of the incredible achievements of the Khmer civilization and the timeless beauty of this ancient wonder. Angkor Wat is more than just a historical site, it is a living testament to human creativity, devotion, and resilience. Whether you're a history enthusiast, an architecture aficionado, or simply a traveler seeking inspiration, Angkor Wat promises an unforgettable adventure. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Angkor Wat. Stay tuned to Adventure Pulse for more journeys to the world's most fascinating destinations. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the wonders of our incredible world.
Can't be too sure, but one day